Hi, I'm Pam Kinneberg, and today I'm going to paint a quick eye design that you can do at festivals and places where you just need to get people through a line very quickly. I'm going to start with a 3/4 inch flat brush and the Burning Heart Craze One Stroke. I'm just going to paint some areas of color in more of a angular type of stroke, just to make it a little more edgy. And right here, I just sort of twist my brush so that I leave some spaces in between the strokes. Now I'm going to use the unicorn color from the Splash palette just to add some additional color in there. And if you get a little out of line, don't worry, because you're going to be coming back with line work, and a lot of that will be covered. So I'm using the Craze black paint with a #1 round brush from Craze. So just starting the line work, I like to do some lines that are sort of reminiscent both of pinstriping and tribal type looking design with my line work. Still keeping with that more angular style, some little crossovers, and just trying to keep with the flow as you see it's going sort of around the eye and then pointing down towards the chin. Now I'm loading a #1 brush, round brush with Craze White, and I'm going to create dots. So I'd like to make sure I have a nice load on there. The dots go from large to small. The white really gives a lot of pop to this design. It's always nice to have contrast in your designs between dark colors and light colors. It really makes them more vibrant and more appealing. The final thing I'm going to do with the design is use Glitz Glitter Glue by Vivid, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to apply this glitter on top of it, the Festivity. And I just apply the glue in the areas where I'm going to be putting the chunky glitter. And then I just use kind of any old brush. I pick up a little bit of the glue from the face and then dip it in the container so that it sticks to my brush. And then I just tap it onto the areas where I put the glue. And you might have to do a little bit of fine tuning just to get the glitter where you want it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating some of your own designs using some of these techniques.